Hi everybody, welcome to another Educational Bite presented by Acorn Internet Services. Today I'm going to show you how to post to Instagram from Chrome. Sometimes you might want to post to Instagram from your computer instead of from your mobile device. And those reasons vary, but a lot of times a very good reason for that is that you have lots of photos on your hard drive on your computer that you would love to post to Instagram, particularly when you have a business page on Instagram and you're not able to use them because you either have to email them to your phone or load them to your phone some other way, and it's just a big hassle. And sometimes you just want to jump on your computer and put up a photo. So you can do that. All you have to do is set up your browser so that it will treat Instagram like you're on a mobile device. So the way that we do that in Chrome is you go onto Chrome, go to Instagram.com and sign into your account. This works for personal accounts or business accounts either way. This is my personal account, but you can use an Instagram business page just the same way. So what we're going to do is come up here to these three little dots in the upper right-hand corner. Make sure you do have the latest version of Instagram. If you have an older version, or sorry, not Instagram, the latest version of Chrome. If you have an older version of Chrome, this may not work. So let's go ahead and click the three buttons. And then we're going to scroll down here to where it says More Tools. And as we hover over where it says More Tools, another drop down is going to come in. And we're going to scroll on down to where it says Developer Tools and click that. Once that's open, you'll see that over here on the left-hand side, your screen has changed and now it looks like a phone. And you can choose different versions of phones here. You can make it look like an iPad or different kinds of phones that are out there that they have listed here. And then you're going to click your refresh button. So make sure you click the refresh button. If you don't do that, you're not going to see the way that you can come in and post. So we're going to go ahead and refresh. And then you'll see down here your little plus button, just like you would see on your mobile device. You're going to click that, and then you'll be able to come in and choose your picture that you want to post from your hard drive. So I'm going to pick this serious looking pumpkin here. And then once you have clicked and loaded your photo, click your next button, write your caption, and you'll notice your cursor looks like a little gray dot. And you can add a location by enabling location services on your browser. You can tag different people depending on if you have people in your photo. And then when you're done, click Done, and then just click Share. And you'll see it starting to show. And then there's your post. Now, if you want to delete a post, come up here to these three buttons and just click Delete. And that'll take away that picture. So that is how you change your Chrome browser to act like a mobile device so that you can post photos from your hard drive to your Instagram account. Thank you so much and have a great day.